Local summer tomatoes, one of my favorite ingredients. Tonight's recipe showcases our big, juicy, local beefsteak tomatoes. We're going to do what I call a Penne Margherita. So we reimagine the most famous pizza known in the universe in the form of a pasta. This is a simple dish. You'll have it out on the table in under 30 minutes. And the leftovers make an outstanding pasta salad on steroids that you can eat all week long after your dinner. Our ingredients are inspired by the colors of the Italian flag. We have green basil, white mozzarella, and of course our red tomatoes. To that, we will add 1 pound of penne. I think penne works particularly well with this dish. And we're gonna use some aromatics to flavor our olive oil. We're gonna have some garlic and some red onion, which will give it just a little bit of sweetness, which I like. Okay, so got 5 cloves of garlic. First thing we're gonna do is get rid of that paper. Okay, now that we have our paper off, we're gonna give it a reasonably thin slice. Okay, now we're gonna give it a thin slice. How's that for some freshly sliced garlic? Okay, I'm gonna use half of a big red onion. That's gonna do it for our red onion. Okay, so for our tomatoes, we want them in about 1/2-inch cubes. Gonna get rid of this core. And I'm using for this dish 2 big fat beefsteak tomatoes. It's 1 pound of pasta, so you're gonna want a lot of tomato. And then we continue making them into 1/2-inch cubes. That's about right. Put them into a big bowl. As for the cheese, a little goes a long way. I'm gonna use about 1/4 pound, and that's gonna be plenty. We're gonna save that, maybe like 1 centimeter cubes. So it should look something like this when you're done. This is a fresh, locally made mozzarella. It is going to be amazing. Okay, now this is very important. You want to liberally season these tomatoes, bring their natural flavor to life, start to release some of their liquids. Okay, meanwhile, we've brought up our water to a boil. We are going to very liberally salt that water, and you're gonna wanna taste it. Make sure that it tastes seasoned. It should not taste like tap water. Perfect. So we're gonna drop in 1 pound of pasta. Directions on the box say 10 to 12 minutes. That means I'll give it about 8.5, 9 minutes, so it's nice and al dente when I drain it. Last bit of prep. It's gonna be our basil. I'm gonna give it a nice mince. Yeah, basil's looking good. There you have it. You'll wanna reserve about 2 cups of cooking liquid. This is gonna help build our sauce. Let us drain. Okay, we've got our same pot we used to boil the pasta. This is a 1-pot wonder. In addition to being so many beautiful things, it also has the added convenience of 1 pot. So we're gonna give it about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. First go in our onions. We'll let them saute a bit, then we'll add the garlic. Okay, when your onion begins to look a little like this, add in your garlic. That way it's not gonna burn. What a smell. See that our garlic is softening a bit. We'll begin to add our seasoning. Okay, let's give that a little salt. Okay, we are gonna add back our pasta. You can give it a little of that pasta water. In goes our tomato. So good. And in goes our basil. Hit it with a little more olive oil. Beautiful. Smells amazing. Give it a little taste. That is ready to plate. Okay, now that the pasta is off the heat, can we add our mozzarella? We'll add it in a couple dribs. Let's go ahead and plate it up. Oh my God, it looks so good. If you enjoyed this content, now is an excellent time to like this video and hit that subscribe button. That is the best way you can support this channel and support our growth. Thank you very much for watching. Penne Margherita, good luck in the kitchen. Bon appetit. Oh my God.
Guilty.